A repossession, or repo, is an event that occurs when a lender takes back a vehicle or property that a borrower has failed to make payments on. This event can have a significant impact on a person's credit score, as it is typically seen as a negative mark on their credit report. So how long does a repo stay on your credit report? The length of time a repo remains on your credit report depends on several factors, including the type of credit reporting agency, the severity of the event, and your credit history. In general, a repo can remain on your credit report for up to 7 years from the date it was first reported. However, the exact length of time may vary depending on the credit reporting agency and your individual credit history. One of the largest credit reporting agencies, Experian, states that negative marks on a credit report, such as a repo, can remain for up to 7 years. This includes late payments, charge-offs, collections, and bankruptcies. Equifax and TransUnion, the other two major credit reporting agencies, follow similar guidelines, with negative marks typically staying on a credit report for up to 7 years. The length of time a repo stays on your credit report can also depend on the severity of the event. If the repo was a result of a single late payment, it may not have as much of an impact as a repo that was the result of multiple late payments or a more serious financial issue. Additionally, if you had a history of positive credit activity, such as on-time payments and low credit utilization, the impact of the repo on your credit score may be less significant. While the length of time a repo stays on your credit report may vary, there are steps you can take to improve your credit score and move past the event. The first step is to make sure the information on your credit report is accurate. If there are any errors or inaccuracies, you can dispute the information with the credit reporting agency. Another important step is to make all of your payments on time, as well as to keep your credit utilization low. This means that you should aim to use no more than 30% of your available credit at any given time. Additionally, consider working with a credit counseling service to help you develop a plan to manage your debt and improve your credit score. Finally, it's important to remember that while a repo can have a significant impact on your credit score, it's not the end of the world. With time and effort, you can improve your credit score and get back on track to a healthy financial future. In conclusion, a repo can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years, although the exact length of time may vary depending on several factors. To minimize the impact of a repo on your credit score, it's important to make sure the information on your credit report is accurate, make all of your payments on time, keep your credit utilization low, and work with a credit counseling service if necessary. With time and effort, you can move past a repo and improve your credit score.